Okay, so after a fair amount of pounding this way and that, I've got my finished product. And you can no longer see the actual magnet pieces themselves. So again, here's the steel box. Here are the plastic pieces inside of these. Right in the middle of them are the two big magnet pieces that I showed you at the beginning of the video. Then we have our two pole pieces on either side that are diffusing the field such that it's pretty uniform right in the middle here between them. Okay, and so now I've got my Gauss meter that I'm going to use to measure the field inside there. You guys will use this too on your magnets to determine their center frequency and their field strength. Okay, so I'm going to measure this guy, and you can see that if I put it in right about in the middle, I get about 0.06 Tesla, right? Depending on where I put it. And I can really move it over a pretty wide range, and it stays right about there until I get to the edge of the magnet, right? Even if I move it pretty close to one end or the other, to one pole piece or the other, it actually only fluctuates maybe 1/1000th of a Tesla, which is pretty good uniformity. And I can bring it over to this side before it really starts to drop almost to the very end of the pole pieces before the magnetic field really stops to drop down a lot. Okay? Of course I can rotate it this way and see the opposite sign of field. But it's right about 60 millitesla where we expect it to be, just from previous experience. Okay, that's it.